Let's go. Oh wait, it's perfect. It's actually perfect. Alright guys, I'm in the skate game. It actually feels really good. I'm not gonna lie, it's really smooth. Yeah, skill issue. There we go. Mastered the gravity, mastered the velocity on that one. I don't know, there's something about it. It's really smooth now. The gravity's just hitting. Yeah guys, I spent ages in this game waiting for the perfect angle for a screenshot for a poster. Then this happened. The worst line ever happened. It was just low-key magical. Fell asleep on my board, passed out, my leg over the edge of the ledge. Just made sense to me. So yeah guys, what's going on? Let me know how you're feeling about this new game. Comment down below, drop a like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see a poster for another video game that's either out or coming out, or maybe a movie or something that you like. Let me know and I'll probably do it. Or at least maybe I'll do it. Anyway, I'm going to let you enjoy this speed up of me in Photoshop taking the screenshot that you just watched me collect, putting it into Photoshop, using some AI tools, some lighting tools, and some chromatic aberration to create what I think is a really unique poster that captures Skate, the essence of the new Skate game, quite well. So yeah, I'm going to let you watch that without interruptions, some nice music. If you want to listen to some of my recent music, go down into the description. I make some sick music. I'm a rapper, okay? If you want a little bit of bars, actually not a little bit, if you want a lot of bars, check that out. It'll be the first link in the description. All right, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the tutorial and I'm out. Peace.
I can't stay still, I'm a different you. Got my mind open wide on a different suit. Different plans, got a different crew. Caught different bodies on a lyrical slew. Noughts and crosses, a Jesus piece. I prayed to the Lord cause I needed peace. Staying awake when I needed sleep. Still killing it because I needed a beat. Murdered the beat like I needed to bleed. I take LSD cause I needed to see. I got angels and demons, they're flying with me. I be rolling up dope, no one higher than me. I'm the boss bro, nobody's firing me. Jesus feeling like Jesus. Speaking to God, man, don't know Jesus. OG babe says I don't wear feelers. Dropping these heaters, teach like teachers. Many man are mad, I got too much aura. Tryna get rich, sick of living life poorer. Man shines bright like Aurora Bora. So sick that you should call law in order. All I need is a beat and a mic recorder. I'm the author, fly like a flying saucer. Tryna find a source of us. Awesomeness, I'm also optimistic. Flows off top of the brain, defy physics. She gave me head, then I gave her lyrics. Freestyle wizard, don't need codeine, but I smoke so much that my skin turned green. Goblin flows, but I'm not no meme. One punch in a rapper if he thinks he's mean. Tryna get peas, I'm tryna get cream.
I just wanna spend some time. I just wanna spend some time with you. I just wanna spend some time. So I don't wanna waste my time. I just wanna spend some time. I just wanna spend some time.
I can't stay still, shit might get long. She don't wear no clothes, not even a thong. Got bars on bars like I'm dropping a bomb. Get up so high, they're like, what are you on? Roll up a piff and I'm getting it gone. I don't need to compete, blood, I've already won. Don't need to compete, blood, I've already won. In the Premier League, it's like 7-1. Peking ducks like I'm Mr. Wong. I'm still dodging cats like, what do you mean? Nice on the rhythm, man, I don't need lean. Third eye's wide, I'm inside of a dream. Don't fuck with the corporate pyramid scheme. Miseducating, hating, worship Satan. Pray for light inside a simulation. Demonstrating higher elevation, concentration, world domination, depopulating our entire nation. In too deep like this is operation for vaccinations, no cooperation. Obligations, only complications. There ain't no oneness, only segregation. I'm fighting evil, dying in the making. I got mortism than autism, so loud I've been making the Lord listen. I'm killing it, ice on my neck called a necklace. Tryna make money with hecklers, this shit is fucking ridiculous. All red fit St. Nicholas, look how I'm flipping it, spitting and licking it. Every time that I'm dropping it's limitless.
I just wanna spend some time. I just wanna spend some time with you. I just wanna spend some time. So I don't wanna waste my time. I just wanna spend some time. I just wanna spend some time.
Bang bang, I got big flow. Still bipolar like crypto. Still cash money when I'm broke, yo. So my baby girl's eating oats now. I hope now that I'm dope, wow. I got bigger plans than a coke sale. Hemoglobin, I'm fucking real. Killing rappers, I don't need a deal. I'm a masterpiece, I just need a wheel. Still making music when I'm off a pill. I've been off the leash and I've been over hills. Climb another mountain, buy another grill. Life's a trip and I'ma keep it ill. My lyricism always seems to spill. 6 frogs guaranteed to kill. I said 6 frogs guaranteed to kill.
spend some time. I just wanna spend some time.